Welcome back, future coding stars! Today, we have a very special guest, Lenny, a senior software engineer with years of experience building incredible applications, particularly in the evolving landscape of the AI age. Lenny, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me, Gabby. Excited to be here, especially in this dynamic era of AI.
Lenny, many of our viewers are eager to embark on their coding journey, particularly with the rise of AI. They're looking for a clear roadmap. Can you break down the essential steps from absolute beginner to a confident, market-ready developer, especially in this AI age?
Absolutely. It's a transformative time to learn coding. First, you need a solid foundation, which remains crucial. Start with the basics: programming logic, understanding variables, loops, and control flow. Choose a beginner-friendly language like Python or JavaScript, which are also vital for AI and back-end web development. Get comfortable with the command line and version control with Git. This phase is about building that core understanding, with an eye towards how these fundamentals apply to both AI and web development.
So, after getting the fundamentals down, what's the next step, considering the AI revolution?
Then dive into front-end and back-end, but keep in mind how AI integrates. Learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but also explore how to display and interact with AI-generated content. For back-end, learn server-side programming, databases, and APIs, particularly how to build APIs that connect to AI models. And this is where Django comes in. Learning a robust framework like Django allows you to rapidly create web applications and also allows you to integrate AI easily. Understanding data management becomes even more critical with AI, and Django makes database interaction very easy.
And then, the integration of AI itself.
Exactly. Start exploring AI libraries and frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or scikit-learn. Learn about machine learning concepts, data pre-processing, and model training. Understand how to integrate AI functionalities into your applications, for example, using AI to generate personalized user experiences or to automate tasks within the application. Explore how AI tools can assist in coding and development, such as code completion, debugging, and even generating code snippets based on natural language prompts.
That sounds like a lot to take in. How can future coding stars help our viewers navigate this journey, especially in the context of the AI age?
That's where you guys shine. Future Coding Stars is more than just a tutorial channel. You're building a community, offering support, and guiding your viewers through each step, now with a strong focus on AI integration and robust web development frameworks like Django. You're not just teaching code, you're fostering problem-solving, creativity, and critical thinking, which are even more crucial for navigating the complexities of AI and web development.
That's right, Lenny. We believe coding is about more than just syntax. Especially when dealing with AI, it's about developing the mindset to tackle complex problems and understand how AI can be applied ethically and effectively.
Exactly. And it's not just about technical skills. Soft skills are just as important, especially in collaborative AI projects. Communication, teamwork, and adaptability are essential in any professional setting, particularly when working with multidisciplinary AI teams.
Absolutely. And we're committed to helping our viewers build those skills too. We also want to help them present themselves professionally. We will provide tips and secrets to create great CVs and build strong LinkedIn profiles, highlighting AI-related skills and experience with web frameworks like Django. Because getting noticed is a huge part of the journey, especially in this competitive AI field.
That's fantastic. A strong online presence is crucial. You need to showcase your skills and connect with potential employers, especially those looking for AI expertise and experience with modern web frameworks.
And to make this roadmap easily accessible, including the integration of Django and AI-assisted coding, we'll be posting a detailed step-by-step guide on our community page, so you can refer back to it anytime you need.
That's a great idea. It'll be a valuable resource for your viewers.
Lenny, any final words of advice for our viewers, particularly those interested in coding in the AI age and web development with frameworks like Django?
Don't be afraid to experiment with AI and web frameworks. Learn from your mistakes and never stop learning. The tech world is constantly evolving, especially with the rapid advancements in AI. Stay curious, keep pushing yourself, and be mindful of the ethical implications of AI. And remember, Future Coding Stars is here to support you every step of the way.
Thank you so much, Lenny. That was incredibly insightful and timely. And to our viewers, remember, you have the potential to become the next generation of coding superstars, especially in the exciting world of AI. Keep learning, keep building, and keep shining. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more coding tips and tricks. And check out the roadmap we'll be posting on our community page, covering Django and AI-assisted development. And remember, we're here to help you achieve your coding dreams, especially in the AI age. See you next time, Future Coding Stars!